So now here in the site, people having their break time, so they're also preparing their food. They're cooking their favorite roti. So I will show you how, and I'm going to learn also. Okay. Hello, good morning. So I'm here now with Pramod. You know, we are doing, what is this? Roti, right?
Paratha.
Paratha? No, this is not paratha.
Roti.
It's roti.
See, this is roti. This is Indian food. Oh my God, it's very hot. Woo. So I will try also to do this. This is mixture of flour and salt. So how I'm going to do this? You need also the roll. And this is marble. You got the marble? Ah, who got this marble? Now I catch you, ah. Jan, you make close up. You close up.
No, ata.
How?
No.
So if I'll go back to Philippines, I already know how to make the roti. See, this is the advantage of working in the site. You are learning not only about the construction, but also the lifestyle of people. This is okay?
No.
Huh?
No.
You make close up dyan. How to make it perfect circle? Bye, Mr. Omar. See you.
Ma'am, back side. From
How?
side. Round side.
How? This?
Yeah, press side. You another side.
So,
There, that side.
I should marry Indian guy also. Yeah.
Now it's
This
done.
is also pudot patan.
Yeah. All the Indians, Pakistanis, and Afghanistan eating roti. Also rice.
You know, in Philippines, it's similar with the pancake. You know, our hot cake. But in Indian, it calls roti, and sometimes also it's similar to paratha.
Now it's done. Ma'am.
Then, so
Okay.
yeah, I will try how.
Um,
Why is not Why is this? Oh, I will make this perfect. Huh?
Yeah.
Who will eat this?
Slowly.
Yes. Then what's next?
Just wait for a moment.
You know, it should be you called me since before, you know, so I learned. This is already with fire. Ah, okay. Ay, Nias, where's Nias? See, this promote. Yeah. This from Al Kabir, but now we became watchman here in the villa. Come here, Nias.
Yeah. Now it's
I will try.
change this.
Ah, it smells good. So, no need for oil?
No.
Huh?
When
No need
you
for
make
oil?
paratha, then you put oil.
Okay. So, after this, you will eat this with some vegetables, right?
Yeah.
And curry.
good.
Yeah, that is good. Why you didn't teach me like this? I will try. You know, if I'll get angry to you, I will make you like this. See how nice? It's so clean. This is from expert. I'll make it. You know, in pizza like this. I don't know. You can do like that?
इस पे सेक नहीं आता है उसको
नहीं आपका नहीं सीखो
So this is without water or with small water?
वाटर कम है थोड़ा
Small water and what else? Salt?
lightly salt
Lightly salt. But why the color is brown? It's not white. What do you call this? This one? What do you
it's
call?
atta
Ata. This
yeah
is
we are saying
flour.
to this atta and the white thing is another thing
So wait, I will taste.
that's
Wheat.
Beef. I think this is very healthy.
यार क्या मैडम क्या मैं खासी हूँ
Here, Jan, you
Ah.
close up this one.
मैम ऑयल
No, this is more healthy, you know, without oil. Huh? You know, Christmas we will make party. We will cook like this. Then, what else? Jan, what is your request for Christmas? We will cook here.
Okay, you cook.
Yeah.
I support.
I will try to cook here pasta. You like spaghetti?
and
Spaghetti.
ma'am don't know to make cake
Cake?
Yeah.
But we don't have oven here. No, we will buy cake.
without one
Okay,
he
we will
knows.
celebrate Christmas here. You know Christmas? Malum Christmas? Malum.
Christmas नहीं मालूम
नहीं नहीं
Huh?
अच्छा he don't
How about you? You know about
I know
See?
now it's done ma'am
Who's also doing this before? This is, you know, Rapin knows how to make this, right?
beh
क्या बोल रही है
Tartar.
आता
So, you already eat or not yet?
Amit
Mashallah, mood. You know, stop being construction worker, go to kitchen. Hotel.
उसको पलटो
थोड़ा गर्म होने दो
खोल लो थोड़ा
Wait. So this is, I will try small pizza. Yeah, good.
Okay, madam. Good.
Yeah. So now we're done cooking. So they also invite me to join them. So I gonna try their food. Okay. I'll say hi.
ma'am I'm busy sorry
You're busy?
Yeah, I'm busy, ma'am.
This? Oh my, this is curry.
बंद गोभी
This is made of cabbage, right? This is cabbage. And I think this is very spicy. Show me your roti. Oh my god. See? So this is the roti. Yeah, it's very hot. And it smells good. You take yours also. Don't be shy, you know, like, because this I will show to Philippines what is the Indian food, you know, and our life here in the site. I want to show everybody our situation here in the site, you know. So later on someday if I go back to Philippines, at least I have these memories together with my people here in the site. Okay, so now we
Chalo,
will
शुरू
go to
करो।
it. So this is like curry. This is spicy. It tastes so good.
मैंने वही किधर खामा
इनको खाना होगा
Okay, may I show it also?
no
You close up here.
I make some video how promote eating roti
And you close up here. My hand. See? This is how I eat. I eat like a bird, you know, small piece only. Now I'm loving spicy food also. Okay? So bye. Now you learn about the Indian food. Next time what I'm going to share to you is patan food. Okay, Nias? You will
Okay,
prepare
okay,
also
ma'am.
patan food, ah?
Thank you so much.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Say bye. You know, but I can't finish this one. You know, I'm eating little only. You know how I eat? Small.
Yeah. It's okay. How much you need? In that.
Finish this, yes.
Also?
This one, I know this one. This is cabbage.
बढ़िया कोई मिर्चा ज़्यादा बन गया ना
See, sometimes in life, you should also learn from different kind of life, you know?
Yeah.
Like this. For me, I'm enjoying like this. Of course, in the work, also I'm strict. But you know, you always think that you know we are all same. I'm not engineer, you're labor. We are brothers and sisters, okay? But of course, you should help me, because you know here also I have a lot of pressure. You know,
Yeah.
like if Madam and Arbab coming here, of course I need to prepare everything. Okay, so if I tell you to clean, please help me also. You should listen to me to clean. Okay, Nia, do you understand me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Make
They
them understand me,
Yeah, they understand.
Yeah, yeah. Because you know my pressure also is too much. For me, if I'm shouting here in the side, it means I'm preparing for Madam or Arbab this year. That's why. This is work, you know. Okay, yes, thank you so much for the breakfast and I enjoy today. Okay, you eat well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you also. You know, this memory and forever,
Yeah.
right? You can buy these memories.